Hello, my name's Adrian Cockings and you're watching Keystyle TV. And today I'm going to take you around this beautiful 2-bed, 2-bath apartment here on Valle Golf Resort. These apartments have 2 bedrooms big enough for 2 single beds, as well as a master bedroom big enough for a king-size bed and its own ensuite bathroom to the side. You open up your patio doors, you come to your spacious outside terrace with jacuzzi area, or what some people have done on the resort is turning it into a 3rd bedroom or even an office. So not only does this property offer great views of the communal pool, you also have a double underground parking spot and a storage room too. Well, that's all from me here today at Valle Golf Resort, but if you want any more information about this property or any other property that we have on our listings, be sure to check out our website at www.keystyleproperties.com and make sure you subscribe and like our Facebook and YouTube page. Well, for the moment, I'm going to enjoy this lovely view and I'll see you next time.